can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoke it up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire. You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoke it up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire.
Creeping through the back with the motherfucking Mac. Shit, I've been fucked up, I don't know how to act. Shit, I've been stepping bitches in the motherfucking back. Man, I love the sound of the click, click, clack. Bitch, give me 3 feet, better get back. Y'all little hoes gon' get jacked. We running and ducking and dumping and pumping. You bitches is licking and sucking and fucking. Dog, I'm not bluffing, isn't that something? I keep it real, you keep on stunting. I keep on chilling, dog, it is nothing. Gotta get him, gotta hit him, gotta let him know. Said he was a gremlin, but I gotta let him go. Said I'm gonna kill him at what I might show. We can keep playing, run around we go, run around we go, run around we go. Easy, Captain Hammer, dirty, him and Lucy Lou, Lucy Lou, Lucy Lou, Lucy Lou, Lucy Lou. I put it to him, I put it through him. Okay, better watch this kid, watch what I'm doing.
You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoke it up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire. You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoke it up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire.
Death and destruction, human combustion, blood gushing. My only function is to erupt and leave they bodies smoking, drunken like heads of the dead. Book 1, kill 3 cause a shotgun spread. What's that noise? Turn around and catch an axe in your back before you hit the ground. Without a doubt I flip out, better get out the house or rip your tongue out your mouth. Tips go for your spouse, you like a bitch in and out. Yeah, I blew a mind and I bounced. I'm murdering cold blood, so what? Hold up, you know what? He flows up from his head to his toes cause he ain't got no nuts. So he really didn't help me on no point to show up. Everybody's fucking dead, everybody's missing heads. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. Anybody hear what the fuck I said? Everybody's gotta die. Shotgun shells flying high. 5 shots, 6 shots, 7 shots, 4. Anybody left that's even a score?
You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoking up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire. You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoking up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire.
You better get up on my level, cause I am the devil. I never talk shit, free speak, better tell him. Hit him with the heavy metal verses of venom. When I get up in the cerebellum, free felon. Don't nobody want it with the combination. Scorpio Ravens, KB collaboration. I'm a motherfucking legend from the ancient ages. Hit him in the jaw, then I dislocate him. The Glock pop shots and the cops are hating. Catch it by the neck, then I suffocate him. Got my let shit slide like I'm constipated. I'm all up in my rhyme book, craft the pages. We be getting pussy while you masturbating. Run up in your motherfucking burners, blast the gauges. I'm worse than Satan. Catch him in the night like who's the aim, and then I blast his brain, decapitate him. Slam his weak body on the pavement. Anybody wanna meet Satan who's taken deep down under? Even you wonder how many weak MCs I'm a thunder. Heat with the thunder, speaking abundant. Words from my gun, telling proof with the gun up.
You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoking up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire. You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoking up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire. You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoking up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire. You can try to run, but we'll find you. Hey youngster, these Grimlinz behind you. Roll it up, smoking up, cheap on the ganja. You better get the fuck up out the line of fire. Cleaning up the ready, these soldiers are deadly. Never let the situation get out of hand. See you fucking with the band, the brothers you either hate or love us from history. We uncover a lot of pain every summer. Then again, we try to make the best of what we got. It's a lot of political refugees on my block. Never wanna stop. Middle finger to the crooked cop, but a shot. We're living in the city in a mountain pie. All types of people up and down the block. Even though the little bitty kids carry blocks, you gotta be careful where you going and where you stop. These streets will swallow you whole just like a croc. Listen to the facts that I drop, cause the hands of the clock make a man wanna stop. But the gift that I got gotta take me to the top. Yeah, you better get the fuck up out the line of fire. Living comfortably is my desire. Dub G to the world expires. I'm using my water to put out the fire. This is for my subliminal killers and my riders. Connivers and Southsiders trying to rise to power. This is the hour. Don't get hit by the bullet shower. You get hunched like a flower.